Hey barbecue lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we turn up the heat on outdoor cooking. Today, we're diving into the 5 best pellet grills available now on the market that'll take your grilling game to the next level. Whether you're a backyard warrior or a slow smoke enthusiast, we've got something for you. If you want to see more information on the updated prices of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. LZHZXY P11T0 Portable Barbecue Grill. This compact yet powerful grill is designed for convenience, portability, and delicious results. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or hosting a backyard gathering, this grill makes it easy to enjoy smoky, flavorful dishes without the hassle. Powered by a DC 12-volt source and consuming only 18 watts, you can easily connect it to your power bank, giving you the freedom to grill wherever life takes you. Despite its portable size, this grill is perfect for gatherings of 5 to 7 people. The large frying pan and baking tray ensure that no one has to wait long for their food. It features 5 adjustable temperature settings, giving you precise control to cook everything from juicy steaks to tender veggies just the way you like it. Using fruitwood pellet fuel, which you can purchase separately, you'll get that authentic smoky flavor, enhancing every bite. The efficient heating system means you can start cooking in minutes without messy setups. When it's time to pack up, the grill folds down into a medium-sized storage box, making it super easy to carry. The folded dimensions are just 500 by 324 by 313 millimeters, and it weighs only 9.93 kilograms. Safety and durability are top priorities. This grill is built with wear-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and non-stick materials, making both cooking and cleaning a breeze. It also comes equipped with anti-scalding handles, a hinge protection net, anti-slip foot pads, and an anti-scalding plate remover for safe, stress-free grilling. So if you're looking for a versatile, compact, and easy-to-use grill for your next adventure or backyard party, the LZHZXY P11T0 is a solid choice. Number 4. DESE PBG1 Outdoor Barbecue Grill. The DESE PBG1 Outdoor Barbecue Grill is the perfect companion for parties, camping trips, tailgating, or simply enjoying a weekend cookout with family and friends. This isn't just any grill. The DESE PBG1 is a high-quality, portable wood pellet barbecue grill engineered for versatility and unbeatable flavor. Whether you're craving smoked ribs, seared steaks, roasted vegetables, or even baked treats, this grill can handle it all. With the ability to barbecue, bake, roast, braise, smoke, sear, broil, and char grill, it offers all-in-one cooking convenience in a compact unit. What sets this grill apart is its advanced PID pellet grill controller, providing precise temperature control and maintaining a consistent heat range between 180°F and 450°F. It also features an automatic cooling system that ensures reliable and consistent cooking results every time. Thanks to its innovative auger system, the grill automatically reloads pellets, saving up to 10 to 15% on fuel consumption, giving you a hassle-free and efficient grilling experience. Despite its powerful performance, the DESE PBG1 is designed for portability. With 256 square inches of grilling space, it's perfect for feeding 2 to 5 people. Whether you're camping, hunting, tailgating, or cooking from your RV, this tabletop pellet grill and smoker lets you bring the party anywhere. Setup is straightforward, and cleaning is easy. The package includes a user-friendly manual to guide you step-by-step through assembly and operation. Additional features include an optional Wi-Fi controller, giving you even more control and flexibility. The upgraded PID controller supports smoke mode, high mode, meat probe interface, and offers temperature settings from 165°F to 450°F. For safety and durability, the grill is equipped with an anti-scalding stainless steel front handle and is finished with a high-temperature baking and spraying process that prevents paint from flaking, even during long cooking sessions. Weighing only 28 kilograms and with a compact package size of 665 by 466 by 370 millimeters, the DESE PBG1 is your go-to solution for outdoor cooking. Whether you're a seasoned barbecue enthusiast or just starting out, this grill is designed to deliver perfect results wherever life takes you. Number 3. Dan-Hui DHKLL10 Wood Pellet Smoker. The Dan-Hui DHKLL10 Wood Pellet Smoker Barbecue Grill is a powerhouse designed for serious barbecue enthusiasts. Whether you're hosting a backyard feast or preparing a slow-smoked brisket for the family, this smoker is built to handle it all. With an impressive cooking surface ranging from 800 to 1070 square inches, there's plenty of space to grill multiple racks of ribs, birkin chickens, or even a whole turkey. Plus, with nearly 12 inches of headroom, you'll never feel cramped, no matter what you're cooking. This model comes fully equipped with a state-of-the-art digital and Wi-Fi control system. This allows you to manage cooking temperatures and monitor your food right from your smartphone. Plus, with 2 integrated food probes, you can get precise temperature readings without ever lifting the lid. Dan-Hui has also upgraded this model with a new ceramic ignition system for faster, more reliable starts. And for added convenience, it features large, custom orange casters, making it easy to move around your patio or deck. Constructed from durable cold-rolled steel and finished with a tough powder coating, the DHKLL10 is built to last through all your grilling seasons. Safety is also a top priority, with a high-pressure protection device providing peace of mind while you cook. Designed to accommodate gatherings of more than 5 people, this grill is perfect for entertaining. The hopper holds up to 9 kilograms of pellets, delivering hours of consistent heat and rich wood-fired flavor. As for dimensions, the DHKLL10 measures 155 by 92 by 137 inches. It features a main cooking area of 81 by 51 centimeters and an additional warming area of 78 by 42 centimeters, giving you all the flexibility you need to cook like a pro. Best of all, it's easy to assemble and includes a handy trolley designed for smooth and easy transportation. If you're looking to elevate your grilling game with precision, power, and style, the Dan-Hui DHKLL10 Wood Pellet Smoker Barbecue Grill is definitely worth considering. Number 2. SELOWO SH1G2 Wood Pellet Grill. Let's start with the design. The SELOWO features a large stainless steel grilling grate, paired with a heavy-duty hinged stainless steel lid. It's got that rugged, no-nonsense look but with all the modern tech you'd expect from a high-end pellet grill. One of the things I love is how much space you get to work with. You've got 646 square inches of grilling area inside an insulated cooking chamber. That means you can handle anything from a couple of burgers to a full family cookout. Plus, it comes with a solid bottom enclosed storage area and 2 spacious side shelves, making prep and storage super convenient. But what really makes this grill stand out is the tech. It's equipped with an advanced set-and-forget digital control system that lets you dial in your cooking temperature anywhere between 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5-degree increments. It also has an auto-ignition and an automatic lighting feature, meaning you won't need matches, lighter fluid, or gas ever. The digital control panel not only lets you set your cooking temperature but also comes with a built-in meat probe, so you can monitor both the grill and the meat temp at the same time. Plus, the grill uses convection-style cooking thanks to a powerful blower fan, which means you get even heat distribution without the fear of flare-ups. Now, for those of you who like to smoke low and slow, the SELOWO really shines. It's got a large 20-pound hopper, so you can smoke all day without constantly refilling pellets. And you can use any flavor wood pellet you like: hickory, mesquite, apple, you name it. Safety-wise, SELOWO built in some smart features. If the grill gets too hot over 615 degrees Fahrenheit, it will automatically shut down and display an error message. Same thing if the temperature drops too low, below 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So you get peace of mind whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking. Moving the grill around is a breeze too. It's got 4 pivot casters with 2 locking brakes for easy movement and stability. And when it comes to cleaning, the drip pan catches food drippings and helps prevent flare-ups, while the grease can collect everything neatly. The entire unit is constructed from heavy-duty steel with all seams welded, powder-coated, and caulked for triple weather protection. It's built to last season after season. In terms of power, it runs off a standard 120-volt household outlet, but SELOWO also offers a 240-volt version upon request. And finally, let's talk dimensions. The grill stands 49 inches tall, 54 inches wide, and 22 inches deep, weighing in at about 125 pounds. So, whether you're hosting a backyard party, a family cookout, or just want to throw on some burgers for a lazy Saturday afternoon, the SELOWO SH1G2 has the space, the power, and the tech to make it easy. Number 1. Austin XL Pellet Grill. First up, let's talk about space. The Austin XL gives you a massive 1,007 square inches of cooking area. That's enough to handle around 55 burgers at once, perfect for family gatherings, neighborhood parties, or game day cookouts. Temperature control is where this grill really shines. It's equipped with an advanced digital control board that allows you to easily set and maintain temperatures ranging from 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're slow smoking a brisket or grilling up burgers, you've got precise control at your fingertips. But when it's time to bring the heat, this grill doesn't disappoint. Thanks to the adjustable flame broiler lever, you can go all the way up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit for those perfect sears and direct flame cooking. Searing steaks, crisping up chicken skin, it's all possible with the flip of a lever. Now let's talk fuel. The 30-pound hopper lets you load up on pellets for those long, low, and slow sessions. Plus, it has a clean outdoor, making it easy to swap pellets or clean up when you're done. On the inside, you'll find 2-tier porcelain-coated cast iron cooking racks that not only offer excellent heat retention but also make cleanup a breeze. And when you're done cooking, there's a convenient storage area for your racks built right into the grill. Keeping an eye on your cook is easier than ever, too. There are 2 meat probe ports, and you get 2 probes included with the grill. That means you can monitor multiple cuts of meat without ever opening the lid, locking in all that precious smoke and flavor. Storage and prep space is another bonus. With solid side and bottom shelves, you've got plenty of room for your tools, sauces, rubs, and even extra pellets. There's even a built-in bottle opener because, let's be honest, grilling is better with a cold drink in hand. And when it comes to versatility, this grill does it all: smoke, bake, sear, grill, barbecue, braise, char grill, and roast. It's truly an 8-in-1 machine that covers every cooking style you can imagine. Lastly, mobility is a breeze with 2 locking caster wheels and 2 inline wheels, letting you move the grill around your patio or yard with ease. So if you're looking to take your backyard barbecue game to the next level, the Austin XL Pellet Grill from Pit Boss's Onyx series might just be your new best friend. So there you have it, folks, 5 of the best pellet grills in 2025. From high-end beasts to budget-friendly warriors, there's something here for every pit master. Which one's your favorite? Or maybe I miss your go-to grill? Drop it in the comments and let's talk barbecue. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more grill reviews, and until next time, keep those pellets burning and those flavors smoking.